I didn't think I was going to be a fan, but now I'm sold and I want to get it myself.
Really?
It's a dangerous game, this is.
Honestly. Welcome back everyone to another episode of Unboxings. For this episode we have the Jordan 1 Atmosphere, a women's exclusive colourway. So that's why we brought in Kelly from the Soul Women's team to talk about it even more. So Kelly, first reaction, how are you feeling about these crepes?
First reaction, this is the first time I'm seeing them in hand, and early images showed like the patent details, and not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna cheapen the look of the shoe, but actually it looks so premium in person. And I also wasn't a fan of like the navy touches on the like collar and the lace unit and stuff, but it actually works perfectly. Like honestly, if you could see the shoe in person, you'll see where I'm coming from. It looks so good, and like the touch of pink on the back, it's like the perfect shade against the white tumbled leather and like the navy. I didn't think I was going to be a fan, but now I'm sold and I want to get it myself.
Really?
It's a dangerous game, this is.
Honestly, on the pattern leather, what kind of took me by surprise is that it's kind of like a cover, because underneath is like a textured leather underneath the pattern. They've done this before, but I can't think of the Jordan 1 that they've done it with, but I kind of like that. It's almost like it's pattern, but underneath it's still got a leather touch to it.
If you catch it in the light as well, you get like a little shimmer in the pink,
Yeah.
so you don't actually notice it too much, but it's just if you catch it in the light, and it's just like the little touches like that that make this shoe a little bit more premium than like past releases. And the fact that it's a women's exclusive makes it even better. It goes up to a 9.5, and I feel like the boys are gonna feel the pain on this one.
I'm quite lucky, I'm kind of like a 7, so I'm gonna still try and get my hands on these, but
Yeah.
if you're a size 10, you gotta just try it. You gotta try it a lot, you gotta squeeze in, man. Honestly, these are also known as the Bubblegums, right? Do you know the story behind it?
Well, yeah, that's exactly what we've been calling it in the house here. Isn't it to do with Jordan's obsession with bubblegum on the court?
So that's the story behind it. He always had bubblegum, which is why on a cool kind of effect they have everyone else, so is they have like a bubblegum if you stepped on it. So a really cool detail. That's like, I gotta give Nike's marketing team like props on that one. That's a really cool detail to add. So that's why it's called the bubblegums right there. What do you feel about the colour blocking as well?
I like it. I feel like this is gonna be like a really good shoe to have in summer. Like this is gonna go so well with so many summer outfits. Like the light bright toe box and the sidewalls are really nice, but then you've got the dark hues as well. So I feel like you could also do a lace swap on this really easily, and it's gonna.
What would you lace swap it with?
Oh, it's tough. I don't want to guess too soon, but I feel like just going white on the laces and brighten it up even more. So you could have like a winter aesthetic and then switch it up for summer. Like I feel like that would work really well with this one.
So actually on the topic of lace swapping and making it white and navy, what would you style these up with in terms of clothing?
Everyone's gonna laugh at me for saying this because I always say the same thing, but cargos. I always pair my Jordans with cargos.
Cargos is the essential. Every time I'm on TikTok, right, and I'm looking at a men's styling video, they all got cargos on.
Yeah, they're so comfy. They go with everything. They've got loads of pockets so you can put loads of stuff in them. Styling opportunities are endless. But yeah, cargos and a baggy light wash jean, I think I'd go with these. Yeah. How about you?
I'll go with the cargos. But I'm a basic beat, I'll probably just wear these with a tech fleece. I'm a basic guy, but that's my go-to, man. So.
Wait, you wouldn't wear jeans?
I don't wear jeans, you know. I'm done with denim. I'm not gonna lie. I don't wear denim. I just feel like, why do we wear it? It's like what builders wore in the 1930s, when in 2020, like almost 100 years later, I don't know why we still wear it. Do you know when these are dropping? I know they're dropping sometime this month, but I can't forget the date.
These have actually been delayed so many times, as I'm sure you all know. We've been keeping an eye on it. Fingers crossed it's confirmed for the 19th of January. Okay guys, so change of plan is actually coming out on the 29th of January now, so you're gonna have to wait a little bit longer. Dropping at Nike for sure in women's sizes up to 9.5, but hopefully they're gonna come at other wider retailers as well, so there's like more of a chance for us to try and get hold of them.
But if you're like me, and I actually do like a lot of women exclusive colorways, probably just size up, like half a size up. And I think you should be finding a good fit for you. So if you like women exclusives and you're under probably like a size 10, really go for these. Alright, so finally Kelly, if you had to rate these out of 10, where is it going?
I'm gonna say these are a 7.
7 out of 10?
7,
so that's like above average. That's good.
It's good just because the premium details and like the colour blocking does make it like above the 5 area and into the above average zone.
Comment below what you'd rate them out of 10. Thank you for watching another episode of Unboxings. Thank you Kelly for joining us. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know the gang. See you in the next unboxing.